Are IT challenges slowing your business down? From network problems to security threats and the need for efficient cloud solutions, these common hurdles can hinder your progress. Having a reliable IT partner to tackle these issues is crucial, especially in a bustling hub like Nashville. Davenport Group, located in the heart of Tennessee, understands these challenges and is here to provide solutions. With our expertise and personal touch in IT operations, businesses in Nashville, Tennessee have experienced smooth and efficient operations. Our proactive maintenance ensures you're always one step ahead. Our in-depth knowledge in networking and cloud solutions is unparalleled, providing you with the support you need whenever you need it. Our top-notch security management allows you to focus on growing your business, giving you peace of mind knowing that your IT needs are in good hands. What truly distinguishes Davenport Group is our unique offerings and local expertise in Nashville. Our co-managed IT solutions are designed to bolster your internal teams, fostering enhanced efficiency. At Davenport Group, our offerings extend beyond mere services. We are committed to aligning technology with your business objectives. We are not merely an IT service provider, but consider ourselves a partner in your business's goals. Is your Nashville business ready to overcome its IT challenges? It's time to take the next step with Davenport Group. Offering a broad spectrum of IT services, from networking and cloud solutions to security management and co-managed IT solutions, we are dedicated to aligning technology with your business goals. Our service prowess and local expertise make us the IT partner you need for long-term success. Don't let IT issues hold you back. Reach out to Davenport Group today and empower your business with tailored IT solutions.